The price of Polygon MATIC to be precise, is going to do extremely well in the next coming few days. Ladies and gentlemen, the cryptocurrency markets have been exploding, and today coins like Pepe have been doing absolutely amazing stuff. So if you take a look at Pepe, right? Pepe has done a 22% in the last 24 hours. I mean, it's leading the entire cryptocurrency markets at this particular moment, followed by is it Lido DAO, and then there's also Uniswap. And we also have a lot of bullish news with regards to Ethereum. So in general, the markets have been performing very well because it's been a very long period of time since we last saw Ethereum doing very well, and due to the fact that they're going to be accepting, or rather approving, the ETFs in United States, in the United States of America, in America, with regards to Ethereum, this is really carrying the bullish narrative as far as Ethereum is concerned, and this is obviously going to make the price of Ethereum do very well. So personally, I'm pretty much excited because we've had a very long accumulative range, and we are about to smash the all-time highs of a lot of cryptocurrencies. And we are at that particular part of the markets where, let's say, the money of Bitcoin is starting to bleed into other niches with regards to cryptocurrencies. Okay, so first of all, we had BTC doing extremely very well, and now the altcoins are beginning to sort of gather momentum, and they're going to sort of gain more and more bullish momentum, which is a very, very bullish thing. And this is one of the reasons why out season is officially about to start. So in today's episode, I really wanted to draw your attention to Polygon MATIC. MATIC is obviously the token, right? Then Polygon is a network, and the company, the platform, etc. So in today's episode, we are mostly going to be focusing on MATIC technical analysis, because a lot of you are probably wondering what the hell MATIC is going to do this particular season. And if you take a look at this amazing chart, right, the accumulation phase of MATIC is absolutely ridiculous. MATIC hasn't done anything. I mean, take a look at how boring MATIC has been for the past couple of months. It hasn't done anything. Look at this crazy parabolic rise from around $2.88. We dropped all the way down to less than 50, or rather 70 cents. We dropped as low as 0.003, less than a cent. That was crazy. Okay, and of course this is obviously extreme, and I would say we dropped as low as 34 cents. So all the way from 28 to about 34 cents, $2.88 as a previous all-time high. Okay, as you can see right over here, the all-time high was $2.92. So we ended up dropping all the way down below 35 cents. Okay, we dropped as low as 35 cents, somewhere there. And the price did have some sort of 75% correction. So from the previous all-time high to where we are right now, that's about 75% from the current price, which is absolutely ridiculous, and that really offers a lot of buying opportunity for us if we're going to play our cards right. So a few fundamental and basic questions that we're supposed to be asking ourselves is there anything fundamentally wrong with the Polygon network? Does it have any glitches? Does it have any hacks? Is the network vulnerable? Why isn't there any growth when it comes to Polygon as a network? So I did do my basic due diligence. I mean, everything is pretty much solid. They are having new projects. They are having some sort of development on their GitHub, and they are improving the network. But why isn't this reflecting in the price? And this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, as far as I'm concerned, right, I didn't see anything technical or technically and fundamentally wrong with MATIC. So this is one of the reasons why I'm expecting a huge move, especially due to the fact that we have been accumulating for a very long period of time. So price action is more like a spring. The more you coil it and sort of reserve your energy and just uh, sort of launch it, it's going to do extremely very well. Okay, so Matic has been coiling up. It has been gathering momentum. It has been having moments of less volatility, no volatility. So what's going to happen is it will reach, or rather it has reached a particular threshold where it has got no other option but to do very well. So this particular period has just been an accumulative phase. So we have an accumulative phase that has been occurring for the past 829 days. So that's like literally more than 2 years of having non-stop accumulative price action data. So this is going to obviously result in a very parabolic move, and this is one of the reasons why I'm really betting big on established projects such as Matic. Okay, so I am going to be expecting the price of Matic to go above $1.52 in the near future. Like, this is literally going to happen before December. So if you take a look at the current price of Matic and where it is bound to go, because we are having this particular level as the last level of resistance as far as this accumulative phase is concerned, and we are basically here at the bottom. Take a look at where we are. This is a no-brainer, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely no brainer. To me, this is a call to action. This is an opportunity for us to get in where we fit in, and this accumulative phase that we had over here, okay, this signifies a very, very explosive move to the upside. And finally, we are about to leave this range. So once we leave this range, because we faced a lot of resistance from this area here, okay, this was acting as resistance for a very long period of time. Okay, and finally we are about to crack it, because previous support acts as resistance. So this was massive resistance for us, and literally we stayed in this particular range for a very long period of time. So if I can measure the amount of days that we sort of stayed in that particular level, I mean, it is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so we've stayed in this range for I would say 2 months. Okay, 2 months of accumulation. I mean, it's just a matter of time until the price decides to sort of move towards the upside, and we did experience a very sort of bullish wave yesterday. Yesterday's price action was very encouraging to me, and it signifies the beginning of an incoming trend. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular price action as of yesterday, right? So we have this action which is about to happen. Okay, so I bought around here and I did sell. Of course, I'm expecting a little bit of a correction, and I'm going to be accumulating Matic at this particular level. So for me, this is an opportunity for a lot of people to get in. Okay, so the value of interest, or rather the value area of interest at this particular moment, is this level. Okay, so if you're looking to get into Matic, anything close to 70 cents, all right, is going to be amazing. 0.71 is going to be an ideal entry for you, because this level extends all the way back to these levels. Okay, so as you can see right now, the price is respecting these levels, and we're about to see a very explosive move towards the upside, and there's going to be a lot of money that is going to be made. So anytime from now, the price of Matic is going to sort of find its support, and we're about to dive in and continue going towards the upside. So this level right over here. So I hope you guys are able to see the current price of Matic. So this is the current price. We're at 0.7237, about 72 cents. So I'm expecting a little bit of a dump, about 2% and below, you know. Anything which is going to be close to 70 cents, $0.70, that is obviously going to be a very good buy signal. But it doesn't matter. I mean, if you had to dollar cost average right now, it wouldn't matter in the long run, because we know what's going to happen to the price of MATIC. It is definitely going to go back to its previous all-time high, and we're definitely going to do very well. But in case you guys are looking for an immediate sort of area of resistance, as soon as we blow past this particular level, right, obviously going as high as $1.15 cents is going to be the most ideal, because this level is going to be our significant area of resistance, because as you can see, the volume profile here basically does not have any massive major trading nodes, because as you can see here on the right hand side, this is a big trading node right over here, and these two trading nodes were very extremely big. So if we're able to like blow past 85 cents, first of all, this is going to be our secondary stop, and then we're obviously going to go to that primary area of resistance right over here. So we're going to have a parabolic move towards the upside, retrace a little bit, and then boom, go above $1. So from here, our next level of resistance is going to be around 85 cents. But the reason why I really believe 85 cents is not really going to be that problematic is due to the fact that there's a lot of liquidity here. There's a lot of liquidations. A lot of people who are shorting MATIC, probably have a lot of stop losses, which are going to be triggered here. So this is one of the reasons why it's just going to sort of splice and just cut through that area of resistance without any resistance. As ironic as that sounds, that's literally how it's going to play out. Because there's a lot of this is a big honeypot for market makers, and there's going to be a lot of liquidations, especially to people who are shorting this particular project. So yeah, that's all I had for you. So remember, buy now at the current price. So if you take a look at the price of MATIC, this is what we are having right now, 72 cents. Okay, it might end up going below 70 cents or whatever. So anything 72 to about 70 cents is a very good area to sort of accumulate dollar cost average, and then look out for the 85 cent level, because that's going to be a very big area of resistance. Okay, and then from there it's obviously going to fly all the way to about $1.15. So that's the trajectory of MATIC as far as I'm concerned. And you guys already know my TA. We barely miss when it comes to technical analysis, and this is one of the reasons why I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and in case you want to make money in this ecosystem, you can always rely on me. I've been around since 2016. I've got 8 years of experience, and I'm a beast when it comes to these markets. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later, and in case you've got any other questions for me, just send me an email and I'm going to gladly help you out. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later, and God bless you.